Got a pocket-sized space but need a tablet-sized screen? Foldable phones might just be your new tech crush. Let's unfold the truth behind the hype. Think of foldable phones as the Swiss Army knife of the smartphone world. They're sleek, they're stylish, and they promise the convenience of a tablet without the bulk. But let's not fold under pressure just yet. While these tech marvels can double your screen real estate, they also come with challenges. Durability? Question mark. Price tag? Astronomical. And let's not forget about the crease, yes, that tiny bend that might haunt your digital dreams. But here's where it gets interesting. For those who multitask like a pro or devour videos and games like there's no tomorrow, the extra screen space is a game changer. And hey, the cool factor? Off the charts. So are foldable phones the future or just a fleeting tech fad? The jury's still out, but one thing's for sure. They're unfolding new possibilities every day.